Discover Microvisioneer mvSlide, the most intuitive manual slide scanning solution. You can scan your slides in real time right away on your desk. mvSlide is so easy to use and fast. Attach a suitable microscope camera to your microscope. Then simply install the mvSlide software on your computer. Scan your slide simply by moving the stage of your microscope. Images are automatically stitched together in real time to create a seamless and zoomable panorama. This very simple but efficient microscope upgrade gives you a variety of slide scanning options. You can even combine different stains or samples from different slides into one virtual microscope slide. Any desired objective lens magnification can be selected. mvSlide is exceptionally versatile. Almost any slide can be digitized. Different light settings and contrasts, as well as a wide range of applications, are possible. You decide what to scan. The highly affordable and flexible solution allows to scan unlimited panoramas and create scans of superior quality. Just like that, you can easily establish a fully digital workflow. Take advantage of all the benefits of whole slide image creation. Whether it is for simplified documentation, high-quality publications, reliable image analysis, vivid teaching, or productive collaboration with colleagues, with mvSlide, the power of digital microscopy is at your fingertips. Convince yourself of Microvisioneer's manual slide scanning. Approved by professionals in over 60 countries. Contact us today for an online demo or a free trial. We are happy to assist you.